Car Shampoo Super Strength is Autoglym's most highly concentrated and cost-effective shampoo yet. It has a 1 to 1000 dilution rate, meaning just 5 litres of Car Shampoo Super Strength will clean an incredible 500 cars. Only 10 ml of Car Shampoo Super Strength is required to make 10 litres of foamy shampoo. The secret to unlocking that magic 500 cars from 5 litre figure is careful dosing. Autoglym recommend using a 10 ml dosing pump to ensure the shampoo is not overused or wasted. This generates a thick, dense foam which gives great cling and excellent cleaning ability. Wash the vehicle from the top down, working from the cleanest area to the dirtiest, ensuring you rinse the sponge or wash mitt regularly. As well as excellent cleaning properties, Car Shampoo Super Strength is also easy to rinse away, speeding up the car washing process. Car Shampoo Super Strength is pH neutral, so will not remove any waxes, polishes, or sealants on the car. And there you have it. A perfectly clean car and only 10 millilitres of Car Shampoo Super Strength used.